Hi, it's me, Kylie. I'm so glad you're here because we're just about ready for another drawing game. That means I just completed 2 pictures, this time of a Stegosaurus. There's 5 differences between these 2 drawings, and you need to try to find them all before time runs out. Then I'll show you how to draw this guy. Ready, set, go! Do you see any yet? Here's a hint. Look at the feet. We're halfway there. Keep going, you got this. Did you spot all 5 differences? Well, the first thing I see is that this one has a top hat. Oh, and instead of straight lines on the spines of this dinosaur, there's curved lines on this one. Oh, and look at the spots. Instead of curved lines, this one is all straight lines, a bunch of triangles. This one's wearing shoes. Those look cool. There's 3 spines on this one, but 5 spines on this one. We did it! Now I'm going to show you how to draw your very own Stegosaurus. I'm actually going to start this drawing off by drawing the ground first. Now I'm going to draw a semicircle for the back of my Stegosaurus. Now I'm going to put my feet on the ground. For the hind leg, we're going to draw a big curve like that because hind legs are kind of muscular like that. And then we'll draw our front leg. These are gonna overlap the body line a little bit, so that's why I drew them first. But now that they're in, we can draw in the bottom of the body. Draw it a little further out there than the top, and then connect it for a tail. Draw it a little bit further out here for the front, and connect it for a head. Awesome! Add a little leg back here. Eyeball, maybe a smile. Ooh, some big triangles on the tail for a big tail spike. And, oh yeah, we gotta do these. You're gonna make half circles that get taller in the middle and smaller toward the ends. Now you can add whatever designs you want. Go. This Stegosaurus looks awesome. I'm gonna color it in. Game and drawing this with you is so fun. I can't even imagine the other dinosaurs that you might draw now that you're inspired. You could have a grown-up help you find other kinds of dinosaurs and learn about them, and you could make up your own dinosaur. Maybe imagine what a dinosaur would look like that only ate chocolate ice cream and draw it. That would be so fun. If you want to make more things with me, subscribe to this channel. It's Kylee Makes It. Kylee. That's me. I'll see you next time.